Hello. So now that we have received in some inventory and we know that an order has been shipped out, we need to now invoice the customer. And so I'll give you an example of how to invoice a customer. We know that we'll take this Venture Metals. We know that this customer had a shipment that was sent out uh, on the 3rd. And so what we do here is what I want to do here first in the notes is I want to put the information on what was actually what carrier it went out on. And so it was XPO and then the pro number, which is like a tracking number. So 739304543. And like I had said, we normally ship things out through Central, but depending on the pricing, we might use XPO or Blue Grace or another number of other carriers. But we go to XPO's website, we get the pro number here, and it tells us that we delivered 6 pieces, um, and all of that. And so we've got this here, and we've already received this and it's on hand. So we need to go ahead, even though we've shipped it already, we need to go ahead and create the shipment. So we create the shipment and we make sure we put in the right ship date. It was yesterday. And so all of this, we've got the same quantity. There's nothing open. We go ahead and we confirm the shipment. All right. And now we can go ahead and prepare the invoice for this. There's some other ways you can do this, but we'll go through the process here in the system. If you create the invoice, it pulls up everything here, the total amount. Got to make sure everything, the date that it was shipped out on, um, and we've got the pro number here. And so basically we're going to go ahead and save it. And then we're going to go ahead and print the invoice. And download it. We'll go to the Pinpoint wire drive. We're going to go to receivables because it's a receivable. We're going to go to invoices, and then we're going to go to the date. And shoot, forgot what the number was. So it was 3554. Okay, so we'll do that again because I forgot what the receivable invoice. And then we will put here 2021-06-03 3554 and the name of the company, Venture Metals. And then we're going to save it. And then we should be able to pull up a copy here. So we get a copy here on PDF. And then Bill 2, Brenda Yoder. So in order to find out what Brenda's information is, you can go to Receivables and Customer Profiles. Click on Venture Metals. And under these, under the billing setting, you can see this is where they want us to send the where they want us to send the invoices, so we can copy that billing, and then we can just send it accounting. Let me make sure I know what their PO was. So here it is. KSG 1865. KSG 1865. So I can invoice for PO KSG 1865. And we go ahead and we attach the file. Please find all right, and there you go. We've sent off an invoice for a completed order. After this, I will also print out any hard copies that we make and attach it to the file. So there you go. Thanks.